What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to make a video and talk about what stocks I'll be watching for the month of December. I know right now the market's going crazy. It's being pumped up a lot because of the vaccine news we've had come out recently. Airlines, cruise lines, restaurant stocks, EV, everything right now is very, very hot. People are, I'm sure, getting FOMO, fear of missing out. And if they haven't already bought into these stocks. So today I wanted to go over how you guys should be buying into the airlines or cruise lines, the EV sector, and how to not get trapped and lose lots of money with these stocks. So before I get into that part of the video, I want to talk about the three main areas that I'm watching and I hope to continue to buy in December based off of news. And the first one here is the sector I want to talk about is airlines. As you guys know, if you guys have been watching me for a while now, I've shown my portfolio to you guys. I've showed you guys what I'm holding, and one stock I'm holding and I've been very bullish on for a while now is Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines is one stock that I've had lots of faith in. No matter how long the vaccine would have taken to come out, I was very bullish on Delta. We saw back in September, Delta hit a low of around $28 a share, then went up November quite a lot because vaccine news. As of right now, Delta Airlines is at $41 a share. I got into Delta Airlines pretty low actually, so I will continue to hold Delta for at least another year because before the market crashed the way it did back in March, Delta was sitting around $60 a share. I think that Delta will go back to that $60 a share as soon as maybe February, March of next year. So there's still lots of money left on the table to be made. If you guys have not gotten to Delta Airlines, a price target, a price point you guys should be trying to get in at is around, I'd say $38, $39 a share, if not even less. I know right now the market's hot. Right now everything it's hard to get the best deal for your money, but don't feel like you have FOMO, you have to get in and you have to buy 40 shares of Delta Airlines right away. No, don't do that, right? You're better off buying it gradually and buying maybe week to week and whenever you see the price drop a bit, because yes, I know we've had green days back to back now, but eventually, like history has repeated itself before, many green days will lead to at least 1 or 2 red days, right? So we've hit an all-time high in S&P 500. I just think we'll see it retract just a bit, and so when it does retract, try to get in at the dip buys. Another airline stock that I'm watching is United Airlines. I've talked about this stock before too. UAL is one stock I am holding in my other broker account, Fidelity. I have a few shares of this. I got in pretty early before the market crashed. UAL was about almost $90 a share. Right now it's at $45 a share. I see UAL hitting up to $70 a share, probably March, April of next year at the latest. I think that as soon as vaccines go out and they're out to the whole public, I think by March, April of next year, all these airlines, cruise lines will be back to where they were before. If not by March, April of next year, by the end of next year, things should be back to normal with the stock market. Moving on, guys, next sector I want to talk about are cruise lines. I'm very big bullish about Carnival cruise lines. I've been holding them for a while now. Before the market crashed, they were around $45 a share. They're $50, $60 a share throughout the last few years. Right now it's at $21. I got in around $15, $16 I think. It's still a good time to buy Carnival in my opinion. I think they have enough cash to burn even if they can't start their cruises until maybe next spring. So I have confidence this company is sticking around. If you get in around the $19, $20 mark, I think you're golden. Same thing with Norwegian Cruise Lines, NCLH. Before the market crashed, they were almost around $60 a share. They've had highs of around $65 a share. Right now the price is $23.70. It's a bit higher than Carnival Cruise Lines, but Norwegian Cruise Lines is also a solid company. that will be around for a long time to come. I think they will go back to the $60, $50 mark by next spring without a doubt. Next, I want to talk about is Dave & Buster's, guys. I've been preaching about Dave & Buster's for a long time. I've gotten a lot of hate for this. Dave & Buster's, I don't see them going anywhere. Chuck E. Cheese has fallen off the map for me. So the next big thing is Dave & Buster's. A lot of parents are taking their kids there now, right? Before, Dave & Buster's was known for more for the adults, whatnot, right? But now you see kids, teenagers, adults, all at Dave & Buster's for their birthday parties, celebrations, to eat. They have a bar there for alcohol. They're going to be around for a long time, in my opinion. Before this crash happened, Dave & Buster's was sitting around the $40 mark. Right now, the price of the stock is $26. It's not too late to get into the stock, but if you can get in below $23 a share, do it. Don't go all in, because we don't know what's going to happen, right? They can say, hey, vaccine's coming out, and then December 12th, 14th, they can be like, hey, you know what? We're going to hold off on the vaccine until March, April. The whole market will crash, right? So be wise on how much you're investing into these stocks. These are the main stocks I'll be watching for the month of December: the airline, cruise line, restaurant stocks, and also Dave & Buster's. I will continue to buy in a few shares at a time, just because I'll play this very cautiously. And then one more stock I wanted to talk about was Tesla. As you guys know, I've been holding Tesla for a while now. I was down with Tesla for about a few months, and then just this past week, Tesla took a huge jump. They got put into the S&P 500, which caused the stock to jump to about $4.60 a share. As of today, Friday, the 27th of November, it's about $5.85 a share. It hit $5.95 a share, and $5.96 a share this morning. I see Tesla going back up to and possibly over $1,000 by February, March of next year. They're expanding a lot in China. They're going to be pushing out way more cars in the States. I think that Tesla has a huge advantage over all the other EV car companies out there. So I'm just very bullish on Tesla, guys. I see the stock. I wouldn't be surprised if next week I'm sitting here talking to you guys saying Tesla's at $800 a share, because from history, we've seen this stock just get pumped so fast within like just minutes and hours in just a couple of days. So don't be surprised if Tesla is at $800 a share next week. And if you guys haven't not gotten into Tesla yet and you want to get in, depending on which broker you're using, you can buy fractional shares of it if you're trying to play it more cautiously. But if you're in it for long term like me, try to buy it at the dips. I know it's hard to predict dips, but just keep watching the market constantly when you can, and buy Tesla when you can. I'm bullish on the stock 1000%. So these are my takes of, again, what I'm watching for the month of December. When you guys are investing, invest smart, right? Don't buy based off of hype. Don't have FOMO and get in and then panic sell, like I always preach to you guys. If you guys have any questions or comments, drop them down below. I'll be sure to help answer your guys' questions. If you guys enjoyed today's video, smash the like button for me. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel for more content. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.